or welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Key, and today I'm going to be installing this wig that I got from a company on Amazon that I will have somewhere on the screen. And today is really not going to be like a super in-depth install. It's really just going to be a super quick, so I'm just, putting it on. So basically, I'm just going to show you guys the wig. This is the wig. It has, I think, just 3 combs. Yeah, 3 combs, 1 in the back, 2 on the side. It's a 4x4 closure. And it's a 18-inch body wave wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. And I'm not doing like the ball cap, I'm just, Oh, also I am gonna put makeup on the cap. I'm not gonna bleach the knot because I'm just like, I don't feel like doing all that. So I'm just gonna put makeup on it.
Okay, so look, I may not be like a super fan of this wig, but I can't even lie. It's super beginner friendly. So right now I'm just taking a little bit of Ebin lace spray. And if you ain't got this, why don't you? Like, get it. So I'm just going over that with my blow dryer just to get it real nice and tacky. And I'm going in with my She Is Bomb, and because girl, she is bomb. She is everything. She does what she's supposed to do. So right now I'm just adjusting it, making sure everything is how it's supposed to be. And then I'm going with my little baby, my hot comb, just making sure all the hairs are slicked back so I can see what my hairline looking like. So right now I'm going in with the Ebin lace spray, really just to get everything real nice, flat, and stuck because, we don't want that thing just moving around. So we're just going to apply a little bit of heat. I'm not going to lie. She was slick trying to give me a little run for my money. Like, girl, like, let me get a straight part, please. So, after I basically had to give her a little fight and rub, I went in with my She Is Bomb because, again, she does what she's supposed to do. So I, put the hot comb on it. And, of course, she lays down. She did what she's supposed to do in that aspect, nice and flat. I'm not going to lie. Sometimes, hair don't want to cooperate. But this did good. She did what she's supposed to do. And we didn't have I'm not gonna lie, I did not get a lot of shedding out this wig at all. Like, she did good, even though she was very thin. That was probably my biggest thing with this wig. It is so thin. But the lace laid, and y'all, look, it's cutting real nice and easy. And these scissors was dull. I even hate to say it. Like, do not use what I'm doing right now. But, it got the job done because that's all I had. But like y'all can see, like, look at me. Look at me. So right here you can see I'm kind of feeling myself, but I was also in my mind trying to like make decisions. So as y'all can see, I'm just trying to line it up and make sure, like, I wanted to make the hair kind of shape my face because I got a nice round face, and I kind of just, I want my hair to shape and kind of accentuate this little mug. Okay, so basically I had decided in my mind that I was kind of going to do like a layers type situation. And this is kind of like a scary moment because any moment when you're cutting your wigs, there's no going back once you do the cut. You know what I mean? So right now I'm just kind of just parting out here, and I'm doing like a rough part, as you can see, just kind of looking and going by that. And as I'm cutting the hair, y'all, I'm just trying to make sure that it in my mind kind of gives me what I'm looking for, which is just, again, some nice layers. But again, y'all, with the hair being so thin, it's just like I didn't have a lot of options anyway. See, at this point, I was gonna curl it, but it didn't really hold a curl. I can't even lie. She really didn't even hold a curl. So I just went ahead and decided to flat iron it. And it's not like the best, but like I said, if I was going for like a natural look, I ate you hoes up.
So yeah, this is where I did with the wig. I just flattened it because I just don't think that it holds a curl very well at all. So I just flattened it because I just think that's like better. Plus, I think it gives it like a more natural look because it is just a naturally thinner wig. So yeah, because they said 150 density, but no. Plus, I'm not gonna lie, like, it's not a bad wig though, because it's kind of giving like, you thought, just maybe. Okay. Personally though, it's an okay wig, but it's not a scream over. If you want to get it for like, again, if you're new in the wigs or you just want like a real natural look, this is the way to go. Cause girl, you're not even gonna tell me. Like, if you just walked up on me, please. You'd have thought I just had a little bit of a little flat press or something. Hold on, cause I'm really giving. Cause I did cut these right here, cause I like to have like a nice frame on my face. So, but yeah, I'm eating you hoes up. This is you hoes. That's me eating you hoes up. If you do prefer a thicker look or a thicker wig, I'm going to be doing another video on another wig that I think will work a little bit better if you are going for like a thicker look. But again, I'm going to have where, I hate when I start talking like a fucking valley girl, but I'm going to have like where I got this. I can't stop touching it because whenever my hair is straight, I cannot not touch my hair. So I will probably be doing this the entire video. I don't know why. Whenever I want my hair straight, I feel like it's not good enough. Watch this. And it's weird because if I'm just looking at myself, I don't have to touch it. But if I'm not touching it, Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.